Yes, I do believe in the spirit of Christmas. Not gonna lie, na as you get older, mas nawawala yung feelings na yun. Pero there's certain times na, like for example, pag nasa bahay ako ng lola ko, tapos nagluluto sila, ay, naamoy ko yung fruit salad. Tapos natikman ko, para bumabalik yung nostalgia. Yung certain Christmas traditions na year after year namin nagagawa, dun ko lang nafe-feel yung spirit of Christmas. Pero yes, naniniwala pa rin naman ako. It's just siguro not as heightened as when I was a child.
Yes, of course, I believe in Christmas. Kasi it's a reminder of the birth of Jesus Christ, our Savior.
Yes, naniniwala pa ako sa Christmas kasi pagdating ng December, sobrang excited na yun lahat kasi ito na yung time na makakasama na ulit natin yung family natin. Parang sobrang gaan lang ng vibe niya kasi pagkasama natin yung family natin and nagbaband na lang tayo, ang nilulook forward na lang natin is to give and to receive the gifts na inaantay natin.
Yes. Yes, because for me kasi Christmas is still a celebration of Christ's birth. So, iba man siya sa how Christmas was for me when I was a kid. It still has the same essence, especially sa family. So, naging culture na lang din siya talaga. So, yes, I still believe in Christmas. It's a bit different now that I'm an adult, but it's still fun because this is the time na I get to see other family members. We get to celebrate together. Sa relatives, gano'n.
What I look forward to every Christmas time is that the get-together of the family, get-together of friends, and being with your loved ones.
Makasama natin yung mga ibang family member natin na malalayo sa atin. Yun. Kasi pag December, yun yung time na makakabad na natin sila.
Pag Christmas, ang nilook forward ko ay 13th. Hi! 13th ng HR. Di ako narinig na HR. Ang nilook forward ko is, definitely Christmas Eve. Kasi norm na sa family namin yun na naghahanda talaga kami, be it nagluto si mama or we order food outside, pero we make sure na meron talagang food to celebrate the birth of Christ. We go to mass. So yung usual routine namin every Christmas. Ayun, I still look forward to that because yun nga, yun yung part of celebration talaga ng family namin.
Yung food, kasi there's certain dishes na sa Christmas lang linuluto or binibili kasi masyadong mahal, ganun. And probably also yung mga traditions namin as a family, like yung family ko mismo, we have a tradition where we do stocking stuffers. So may kaming tig-isang stocking, tapos may 3 gift per person na isang funny, isang magagamit, tas isang gusto nila.
Share ko yung Christmas memory na hindi ko makakalimutan is yung nag-ipon kami ng brother ko to give gifts sa mother and father namin.
Opening gifts together with my family. Kasi it shows kung ano yung gusto nilang ibigay sa'yo, and it also reminds me of the birth of our Savior, Jesus, and it also reminds me that the greatest gift that we could get is the salvation.
Siguro not yung mga younger years, yung mga bata pa. Definitely it's a fun time. Pero favorite ko would be siguro yung, I think that was 2016 or parang 2016, 2017 na nag-Christmas kami ng family and yung relatives ko sa side ni mama. We went to Baguio to celebrate Christmas. Kasi normally, kami lang nila mama yun, yung immediate family lang. But this time, relatives namin, yung mga cousins ko, yung very close cousins ko, yun, nag-Baguio kami together. So, very fun kasi may mga ano na kami mga adults na kami noon. So, it was a different kind of experience, different kind of bonding compared nung nag-Baguio kami ng mga bata kasi nag-recreate kami noon. So, sobrang fun that time talaga kasi adults na kami nag-bonding. So, very iba na.
Not really favorite, pero memorable siguro. Nung Christmas nun, tapos both parents ko wala kasi kailangan nilang mag-work. Tapos dun ko na-realize at an early age na Christmas is really not about food and not about Christmas decorations. It's really about family, being with your family, ganon.
Nung bata ako, na-complete pa kami family. Buhay pa yung lolo ko, gano'n. Tapos, before mag-midnight, nakaikot na kami sa Christmas tree, tapos lahat ng gifts din i-distribute.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Gaga fan.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas! I think that I wish I could forget